Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to find the domain and range of this function using inequality notation. And we're going to be using inequality notation because this is a continuous function. So there are 4 steps that I'd like for you to write down, 4 steps that I'd like for you to know. The first step is to write the axis that we're working on. So here, where I'm going to put my answers, and this is going to be a little tight, so I'm going to rewrite my answers at the end. X and Y. X for the domain, Y for the range. Next, we are going to, the second step is going to be find the lower boundary. So when we find the lower boundary, we're going to work on the x-axis first. So when we work on the x-axis, and I'm going to use a green card here, we're going to find the least value. There it is. That least value is -3. I'm going to write that down. Let's switch axes to the y-axis. We're going to find the least value. Oh, there's one. There's a -4, but let's keep going because I've got more graph. -5. Now, step number 3 is find the upper boundary. We're going to go back to the x-axis. We're going to go to the right, positive, until the graph stops, which is right there, which is at 4. Value of 4. We're going to switch axes to the y-axis. We're going to find our greatest value, which is right there. Graph stops at 3. Now, the last step is to put in my symbols. And we are always going to use either less than or less than and equal to. This is an open dot, this is a closed dot, and this is included. Less than and equal to is excluded. I'm sorry, I wrote that backwards. It's excluded for the open dot, and included, because the closed dot is a part of the graph, it's included in the function. So if we take a look at this boundary down here at -3, that's included, less than and equal to. This boundary here at 4 is simply less than, it's an open dot. Boundary down here at the y-axis at 5 is included, and the boundary up here at 3, that touches 3, so therefore it is also less than and equal to. And there you have it. Those are the 4 steps to using inequality notation. I'm going to give you a couple more minutes to finish watching the video and include these notes in your foldable.